when you say communicate, you don't talk about sex actually. You make each other safe.
Sex is not just a physical thing eh. It's everything. Mental, emotional, and physical.
Kung napipilitan lang naman yung isa, or wala sa mood yung isa, if it's something na parang as obligation, wag na. Hi, Talk Sheeters! Welcome to another episode of Talk Sheets with Ice and Liza, where we strip everything down and bear it all under the covers.
Pati nga strip everything down.
May!
Where we
Hanggang
talk
dito lang.
about love, identity, and all the shit that matters.
Oh, alam mo naman siguro ba't ako nakaganito ngayon?
Bago ba to? Never ko pang nakita yan. May mga ganyan ka pala.
Oo, bakit?
Bakit di mo lang ginagamit sa bahay?
Eh kasi lakahubad na diretso eh. Ikaw ba't nakaganyan ka? Grabe! Para, yan ang ano mo, yan ang suot mo pampaano?
Hindi, hubad ako parate. Alam ko maghubad ako sa harap nila.
So yan yung version
Ito
mo.
na yung version ko.
Okay. Well, alam niyo naman siguro kung anong topic natin ngayon.
So when people talk about sex, di ba, ang bilis natin mag-jump into opinions, experiences, even expectations, di ba? And bihira na lang natin itanong, do we all even mean the same thing when we say good sex?
Well, sa iba, being good at sex is being able to give and receive orgasm.
Yes.
Diba? Yun yung parang basehan eh, lagi. But for some, it could be connection and chemistry.
Tama
I guess
yan.
like us.
Yes, that's true.
Oo.
I think both former and latter.
Yeah, dapat.
Yeah, dapat. So tonight we're having that conversation. What makes good sex? Ayan.
I love this. Sige.
Okay.
Good sex is when you have sex.
Grabe. Welcome to He Said, She Said, kung saan sasagutin namin ni Liza ang mga ipinadala ninyong tanong para sa amin.
Wow. Mukhang marami kayong mga tanong ah.
Feeling ko si
Talagang
Boss,
hilig nyo
maraming
talagang
tanong dito.
pag-usapan ng sex ah.
Okay. For first-time experiences, what really makes the difference in making it enjoyable? What do you think actually helps a person truly enjoy the experience instead of feeling pressured or anxious? I think it's about readiness. Kumbaga, kasi at the end of the day, it's nighttime. But at the end of the day, sex is not just a physical thing eh. It's everything. Mental, emotional, and physical. So, parang if isa doon ang wala, I don't think you can call it good sex. I don't think it will be enjoyable.
Well, a lot of people equate good sex with performance,
Yeah.
diba? But alam natin na it's all about presence. Dahil nagsisex active kayo ng partner mo sa sex, alam niyo naman yung capacity ninyo in terms of yung galing. Pero pwedeng hindi niyo siya gagawin. Or pwedeng yung partner mo ayaw niya. And yun yung kailangan mong maintindihan. So, hindi lang yung act of doing it. It's like, why sometimes you don't actually get to do it? Or, pag yung isa may gusto, and yung isa parang hindi mo na-feel na gusto niya, ano kaya yung nagiging reason nun? What are the factors before the sex even happens para makarating kayo into achieving good sex? Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na sex happens even before you get to the bedroom.
Yes! Even
Explain
before.
mo, ayan, this is your chance to explain to everyone.
So, and it happens even before foreplay. It's very important sa akin what happens before that, what leads to the sex, di ba? Kasi, imaginein mo, pag before nun, okay, ganito lang. Kaya di ba marami nagsasabi na yung mga nag-aaway, ang sarap nung make-up sex nila. Kasi, parang grabe yung intensity na nila before that. So, kunyari, meron kayo iba't ibang ginagawa. Like, may kilala ko na grabe siya magtrabaho sa bahay. Tapos, in-expect niya, pag higa niya sa kama, agad-agad. Eh, paano yun? May kilala ko. I have a friend.
Talaga?
I have a friend who's like that.
Bakit? Ano masama doon?
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, walang masama doon, pero
Sige, explain mo yon. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Bakit? Hindi naman yun agad-agad ah. May foreplay pa rin naman yan ah.
oo, pero yun nga eh, even getting to the foreplay is, isipin mo, nakahiga kayong gano'n sa kama, tapos usap kayo tungkol sa sa bill sa office, sa mga minsan masakit sa ulo ng mga negosasyon, ganyan-ganyan. Biglang hahalikan ka na lang, tapos expect na makakarating na kayo sa dulo. Parang, sandali parang wala yung utak ko dyan
Kinis ka naman
Hindi, ano bang kakasabi? It happens
hindi
before.
naman agad pumunta doon. Hindi naman ganun agad Ganun una.
Oo, pero alam mo yung, okay, ganito na lang, kagabi. Aray, di ba? Dahil relax tayo pareho, nanonood tayo ng TV pareho, hindi tayo nag-usap ng trabaho. Nung nag-kiss tayo, ang daling makarating. Sa langit. Gets? Pansinin mo yon. Pero pag yung tipong, the whole time.
The whole night, nagtataka talaga ako sa'yo. Ako ba't tawa ng tawa to?
Hindi tawa ng tawa, smile yun.
Smile na
Iba yung
smile. Tapos, hawak siya ng hawak ng kamay ko, tapos, sabi ko, ba't ganyan yung itsura mo?
Nakagets Kasi, di ba, yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Ikaw, sige, anong difference nun nung kagabi? Kabaliktaran dun sa mga ibang mga gabi na mula ka sa laptop, kung ano-ano kinikwento mo sa akin about sa film, about sa dine-develop mong whatever, tapos biglang hahalikan mo ako, parang, ang weird!
Okay, I really didn't understand that until...
Kagabi?
No, until biniring up mo siya sa show, sa talk sheets. Na parang, ano ka ba? Hindi, kailangan, the whole night. So parang, di ba, pag mag-partner, may kanya-kanya talaga kayong ginagawa. And yung moment lang na sinasabi mong you're already giving yourself attention is when you get to physically sa bed. Di ba? Pero ikaw kasi, ang ibig mong sabihin is, yung araw ninyo, even before kayong, mag-share before you share the bed, is parang naka-prepare siya na hindi siya about work. So, halimbawa, ako kasi pagdating ko ng bahay, nag-work pa rin ako. Kasi yun yung time na tahimik ang lahat. I don't have to confirm a meeting, hindi ko kailangang sagutin yung tanong ng mga staff, hindi ko kailangang mag-check sa Slack, or i-check ko yung Slack, tapos doon ko palang nasasagot lahat ng mga tanong. I'm always on my laptop, kahit mga bandang 2:00 ng madaling araw na. Kasi nga, doon ko palang nagagawa yung mga kailangan kong gawing documents and all. So, nakikita ko na nanonood siya lang ng TV. So, parang, okay. So, when I get to bed, matutulog na talaga. Pero minsan, yun nga yung parang, I thought, the moment that you can engage in foreplay, the moment that you can engage on and be on, an intimacy mode. Pero sa kanya, it has to be even before. Kailangan yung baga yung
3 p.m. pa lang dapat game na.
Yung kailangan talaga, you set the mood. Yung pagdating mo sa bahay, kumain kayo ng you didn't talk about work. Kasi that was last night Like I nag-flamenco ako.
Yeah.
So, nagsayaw ako. So, it was just about me and my dance. And he saw me dance. And we were looking at my videos na parang, kita mo, love, ang galing mo magsayaw. Ganyan-ganyan siya. So, parang, wala kaming at all na pinag-usapan.
Yeah, hindi tayo usap ng trabaho. Tapos after, nanonood pa tayong TV.
Nanonood kami.
Na very seldom nanonood siya ng TV with me, As in, kahit kunyari nanonood akong TV, siya yung nasa phone, nanonood kasi hindi niya ako pinapansin. So, kagabi talaga, parang, wow, may attention. Craving ng attention. Kawawa naman ako.
Na-realize ko lang talaga yun kagabi. Actually, na
parang... As in, nanonood siya. As in, nagugulat ako na parang, wow, nanonood siya with me. As in, tumatawa siya doon sa pinapanood. Parang, na hindi siya yung, kasi ganito rin yan. Minsan manood kami TV, may mga comments din niya. So parang, everything na ginagawa namin, supposedly for relaxation, it becomes work. Kasi that is our work, di ba?
Yeah.
So kagabi talaga, it was so different. Like, she never talked about, yung pagkakagawa nitong na to, series na to. Talagang in-enjoy niya as a viewer. So parang, nung nagkakalandian ng ganyan, ang daling sumakay sa landi. Alam mo yun?
Okay. Yun. So, yun. So, importante
yung
talaga.
Topic talaga yung topic na ganito, TMI.
So, yun. I think yun yung, ngayon ko lang nagigets, na yun yung ibig mong sabihin, ng preparation and how important communication is when it comes to And when you say communicate, you don't talk about sex actually. You make each other safe. How do you make each other safe? How do you make each other emotionally connected? Na not necessarily because ang end goal nyo is makapag-sex kayo. Kaya invested ako sa topic na to kasi ang laking learning nun sa akin na nagiging aware ako. Kasi 'di ba, alam niyo naman, the entire 3 seasons, lagi ako nagrereklamo dito, 'di ba? Na parang, just ko sex nga, I don't even get that. Because really, kami ni Ice, parang rarely kami talaga nagsisex. Lately. I mean,
Oo naman, yeah.
parang he needs to get into a mood. And talagang nagkaroon ako ng phase where I was already questioning na, am I still desirable? Na it affects my personal pagtingin sa sarili ko. I feel less desired. I feel, ang taba ko na siguro, kaya hindi na ako attractive. You know, I've gone through my own personal share of insecurities because of that. And ako, inamin ko sa'yo yun, na parang, tapos lalo rin ako nawala ng gana. And every time, parang, we will get there, yung parang, we'll have moments, magkikiss kami. Tapos parang, awan ko, parang meron ako sa utak ko na, ay, hanggang dito lang to. Magkikiss lang kami, hindi kami magsisex. Ganon. Kasi parang, inuunahan na ako ng, ayoko ma-reject, ayoko rin ma-disappoint. So, I'd rather not, ang lamig na kamay ko, di ba? I'd rather not do it.
Pero may
Kasi
tip
I
din
don't
ako
want
sa
the
inyo.
feeling of rejection.
May tip din ako sa kanila. Kapag bago kayo mag-foreplay, at kunyari gusto niyo mag-sex ng gabi, huwag kayo maglalagay ng katingko sa dibdib. Medyo, kasi pag nag-foreplay kayo, pag napunta...
Ikaw yung naglagay ng katingko sa akin.
Nagpalagay ka sa akin! Tapos biglang naglandian tayo, tapos biglang minti. So anyway... So, hindi natuloy.
Hindi, kasi syempre, hindi ko na siya ine-expect. Hindi ko na ine-expect na mag-sex tayo. So, nilalagyan ko na lang ng lotion, katingko, lahat talaga. Yung
minsan may
katawan
gano'n
ko.
siya ang pakla. Ano ba itong nilagay mo? Anyway, can sex still be considered good even without emotional attachment, or does that automatically make it less meaningful? This one I cannot answer because I've never experienced sex without emotional attachment. I cannot. I mean, hindi dahil sa nagmamalinis or anything. It's just my personality. I have to be emotionally invested dun sa tao before I can actually do it.
Hindi, yun nga parang we were wired to think that yung measure ng isang tao na magaling sa sex is kung ilang beses niya kayang magpa-orgasm ng isang babae or isang lalaki for that matter. Or basta partners. Pero we rarely talk about the importance of communication and feeling safe during that moment. Kasi 'di ba, meron talagang physiological response ang isang taong nagsisex, 'di ba? Ano 'yan kumbaga biological 'yan, 'di ba? Pag hinawakan niyo yung mga sensitive points ninyong dalawa, meron kang physical reaction doon, 'di ba? To reach orgasm, but during the act, were you making each other feel safe?
I'll be very honest Kagaya sinabi mo, di ba? May mga points, may mga pressure points, ano tawag doon? Erogenous zones, di ba? Pero ako, if hindi mo ako naunahan ng emotional parang safety, meron akong reflex na pag hinawakan yung mga, ano tawag doon? Yung mga erogenous zones ko, lalo akong nag-flinch. That's why, importante talaga sa akin yung malagay ako doon sa mood na yun before, lakas mo ano ko.
Oo, ikaw talaga yun.
Ako talaga yung relationship na to.
So explain mo sa kanila, ano ibig sabihin yun? Someone needs to be able to listen, make you feel safe, make you feel secured.
Hindi yun, yung parang, siguro kasi parang, ako, I mean, to get there for me to achieve orgasm, it takes so much from me. Kasi 'di ba, syempre, as a trans person, I don't have the necessary tools, right? That normal, I mean, cis men have.
You don't have the conventional expected tools na meron ng isang lalaki.
So, it's hard for me to get there. I really have to use my imagination to get there. Hindi siya yung tapang basta lang in the moment game. I mean, I know it differs from every person, 'di ba? But that's just me. And So para ako, I can't even have music when it's my time.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Pag siya,
Kailangan.
pag siya, gusto ko may music. Minsan sinasayawan ko pa yan.
Na?
Oo.
Sige nga, sample.
Ayan na, pag gano'n. Umaga pa. Pero pag ako, I cannot have anything that distracts me. That's why if I'm one bit distracted or one bit na, wala, it's impossible.
Yeah, that's true. Kailangan sobrang tahimik. Ako naman, I really need
Gusto ko
to
lang
get...
narinig yung mga
I
ungol
really
niya.
need into the mood.
Oo! Akala ko pa gusto mong topic ko.
Low tones.
Si Lisa para motor yun. Okay.
De, pero yun nga parang parehong-pareho tayo when it comes to getting in the mood and how we want sex to be shared and enjoyed. Parang parang kung ano lang, kung napipilitan lang naman yung isa or wala sa mood yung isa, if it's something na parang as obligation, wag na.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like respect is sobrang important even during the act. And when you actually even more so when you are engaging in such an intimate moment, kailangan yung, you know, ako pa naman, I'm very passionate, I'm very sensual. Like, I really want to satisfy my partner. So, I want to make sure I'm 100% all in. Na makita ko lang na parang wala kang attention sa akin yung tao. Kaya yung parang, he just really wants to get through with it. Na parang nakatingin lang siya sa'yo, tapos naantay niya lang na gawin mo sa kanya yung mga bagay na ina-expect niyang gawin mo. Wala akong gana. Because we need to be in the same energy level.
Yeah.
We need to really be in tune with each other. We need to be in sync. Yung synergy ng energy natin dapat talagang nagmamatch. Because that's how, that's how I'll feel na parang wala. Talagang it's like surrender. You know, you wanna enjoy each other. Kasi napaka-sacred kaya ng sex. For me, parang, this is the only moment where you fully give yourself to a person.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Yung lahat ng mga private na tinatago mo sa sarili mo, secrets that only you know. This is the time that you actually bear it all to that person. So for me, it needs to be with a person that you trust. Kaya siguro yung mga times where I've had those moments where I felt like
It was just sex.
I engage in sex na hindi ako, na parang, alam mo yung pag afternoon, I felt used.
Yeah.
Kasi we rarely talk about how important it is to communicate even during sex.
Yan ang sobrang important. Kasi I'm very auditory. Like, kunyari, may friend ako.
By my friends, ha?
Hindi, ganito na lang. 'Di ba? Pansinin mo, like when we have sex, 'di ba? Iba yung turn on sa akin when we do dirty talk. No, seriously.
Yeah.
Like, I like it. Like, it really gets me going. Yung talagang, alam mo yun? Pero yung kaya nga hindi ako pwedeng may pinapakinggan. Kasi nadidistract ako doon sa pinapakinggan ko. Alam mo yun? Kumakanta yung utak ko. Yung utak to gago eh. So, alam mo, hindi ako visual. Kahit, sa totoo lang, like, kahit anong makita kong suot, okay to Pero ibig ko sabihin, pero kunyari, siguro yun ang dapat mong gawin sa akin paglalandi. Mas auditory.
Ganyan. Ha?
Mas auditory. Try mo lang. Yung tipong magsasalita ka sa akin ng something. Alam mo yun, yung...
Like...
I don't know, but to get there. Alam mo, but you know what I like. But yun, like, this is important sa akin. And syempre, bilang asawa mo, I hate it when you feel like you're not desirable because you are. Like, oh my God, you are. Pero yun nga, parang, like what you said also, we have to match each other's energy. And if I feel like I'm very distracted at the moment, like I can't get to that 100% energy na alam kong we both need, hindi experience eh.
Pero naniniwala ka ba doon na kailangan obligasyon, parang once you are already in a committed relationship, it's your obligation to make your partner happy kahit na ikaw, you're not in the mood? do you feel violated or do you feel na parang less, less safe? Kasi may partner ka na, hindi, kailangan mong gawin to, you need to satisfy me. Ganun. Have you ever felt that with us?
With us, hindi. Kaya nga, I love how we are. Kasi with us, walang ganun na I have to do this because alam ko, parang feeling ko mas insulto pa nga sa atin yun if ginawa ko to just because hinahanap mo.
That's true. Pero yun din yung reason kung bakit ilagang dumaadaan yung months, talagang wala.
Pero try mo yung sinasabi ko. Try mo lang. May mga pabulong.
Okay.
Thank you sa mga talk sheeters natin na nagpadala ng kanilang mga sulat. So, dahil bago tayo magpunta sa heart of our conversation, dahil tusam lang naman kami ni Lisa dito, mukhang magugustuhan niya yung game na to.
Okay.
Na feeling ko si Lisa magugustuhan niya talaga kasi feeling ko pag nagkamali ako, titirahin mo na naman ako.
In a good way or in a bad way?
Sana in a good way. Alright, so welcome to Shit Happens. Let's play couples compatibility test and we'll be asked a series of spicy questions that we have to write our answers sa board na to. And ang goal namin, alamin kung gaano tayo ka-compatible sa isa't isa.
My God.
Yes, Kimi.
Si Doms, okay.
Okay.
Okay. First question. Gaano kayo kadalas mag-sex?
Through what? Anong? Once a week? Is a week?
Hindi, sagutin mo lang.
Sabay po tayo mag
3.
Mas grabe yung kanya once in a blue moon. Ilang beses nangyayari yung blue moon?
Ano sa'yo?
Like once a month.
Oh, parang ganoon din yun. Once in a blue moon. O, at least may once.
Alam mo, is this normal for people? Ako nga meron akong kilala. Grabe na talaga sila nagre-reklamuhan pag more than a week sila hindi nagsisex. I know a lot of people like that. That's why
Yun yung mga
I
hindi
don't
dinadala
even
yung
know
trabaho
if this
sa
is a
bahay.
norm, guys. But siguro kasi kami ni Ice, yun nga, parang sa pagsisex ninyo ng once a week or twice
Love
a
you
week.
sa atin, parang good for 2 months yung warranty.
Bakit?
May yanig eh.
Well, totoo naman yun. Oo, totoo naman. Kasi nga, di ba?
Ay, grabe energy yung kailangan mo. Minsan nga, akala ko mamamatay ako eh. Oo. Nasa Cebu kami nun. Akala ko mamamatay ako nun. Hindi nga makahinga. Tapos sabi ko, kung ito yung mamatay ko, okay lang.
Yun, di ba? So parang,
Oh, di ba?
sa mga normal couples,
What to tingnan yung
sa
usapan?
twice a week ninyo, ganyan, or sa thrice a week ninyo, ilang times yung parang, dahil meron kayong dapat na sinusunod na dalas and frequency, di ba? Pero dun sa 3 beses na yun sa isang linggo at 12 times sa isang buwan, yung talagang masasabi nyo lang na pinaka-enjoy nyo ay nabibilang ninyo. So, siguro kami ni Ice, because we're so in sync and yun nga, parang kung hindi ka lang din sa mood, hindi ka rin lang nasa mood, wag na lang. And that's vice versa.
Ang hirap kasi, no? Pareho tayong performers. So, dapat performance level.
Yes, oo. Performance level na talaga
Oo, I mean,
for each other.
Oo, ang lang naman para sa kanila. Bakit lang, may audience ba tayo? Mag-perform ako para sa kanila?
Hindi, pero yun
Hindi
nga.
ko yung sabihin, para tayo, I mean, that's our job. So parang anything less than our best.
That's true. That's true. So yun. So sige na nga, nakahanap na siya ng excuse kung
No.
bakit once a month lang kami
Hindi,
mag-sex.
pero yun nga, kung try mo nga yun, kasi yun hindi pa natin natatry.
Oy, pero hindi naman, di ba? Meron tayong once a month, pero meron tayong siguro mga in a year na twice a month.
Hindi, pero yun nga, gusto ko rin i-try yun. Kasi minsan nagda-dirty talk tayo pag in the act na try natin before. As in yung tipong sa bahay tayo, magganyan ka.
Tapos na-send ko sa mga staff ko yung mga text na yun, no?
Oo! Alam mo, dati ganyan siya, magte-text siya sa akin. So, pucha, di ba parang, uy, nakakalibog kaya yun.
Che, sige.
Ngayon yung mga text mo sa akin, saan ka? Ano oras ka uwi? Nasa ganito na ba? Ano itong ganito? Paano ka gaganahan nun?
Sige, ikaw din, ah.
O sige,
Ganun
o simulan
sa akin,
natin yan ha. O. Okay.
Dapat nasa mood kayo kasi pag ikaw baso, Okay.
Second question. Ano ang favorite position ni Liza?
Ha?
Ang dami.
Grabe. Anong ang dami? I think. Game.
Teka lang. Huwag kang nang ano. Okay. Huwag kang nang ano.
Ano sasabihin mo? Ang ina.
Game?
Okay, we just discovered what talk shit is really about.
Eh?
Oh my God, para masabi natin yan. Pero magkaiba kami eh.
Ano ka ba? Yan ang una ko naisip, pero hindi eh.
Feeling niya lang yan.
Talaga? I gauge it by the sounds you make. Before. Uy, mabigat yung kamay mo, ha? Before, woman on top yung favorite niya. Pero nung nakita niya yung powers ko, ito na yung favorite niya.
Oh my God.
Hindi totoo? Sabi mo, hindi totoo?
Next question. Wala pa tayong points. Magkaiba tayo ng sagot.
Tama naman, isa natin kanina.
Ha?
Once in a blue moon. Oh, ikaw, may pareho tayong once.
Okay.
Third question. Gaano katagal usually ang foreplay ninyo?
By minutes?
Di pa nga eh. Nagpapakita ka na
Okay.
agad eh.
Go po.
Oh, go.
Dapat i-quantify mo siya in minutes.
Wow.
Para it's easy.
Paano
mas
ba yan?
madali maano.
Sarap. Uy, wow. Oh, ayan na. Sige, game. Wala akong sense of time pag ginagawa natin yun. Paano ko siya maika-quantify in minutes?
Hindi, ano normal?
I don't even know. Di ba? Hindi mo alam kung...
Ako nilagay ko 10 minutes.
O sige, ganito. I can quantify it through a song. Through songs.
Oo.
O, 3 songs.
15 minutes. O, tama ako. 12 minutes. O, diba? Tama ako. 3 songs.
Doon ko siya nalalaman eh. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, pero tama. Kasi it has to be in minutes. O, tama ako. Yay! May 1 point ako. Di nga yung naiiksian eh. O, hindi naman pala maiksi yun. Pwede naman pala 12 minutes. O, pwede pa rin talaga ako magtrabaho. Tapos pagdating ko sa kama, bibigyan ako ng 12 minutes. O, pwede.
Na-justify?
Next. Most sensitive spot ni Ice.
Except for that part? Hindi, kasi syempre, automatic naman yun na yun ng sensitive parts natin. Other parts of the body?
Nasigot na ako. Halatang hindi niya ako kilala. Huwag ka muna magpakita. Game?
Game po.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, ano? Ha? Kala mo, syempre, nakikita ko eh. Pag nilibot ako doon sa teko niya,
Hindi, but not, I don't mean it as a physical, ha?
no, I see it.
No, but ibig ko sabihin, it's what you say. Like love, I keep on telling you, if we do all that, it really gets me going. Iba siya. Hindi dahil, Diyos ko, aso ko, dinidila ang tenga ko, wala namang nararamdaman. It's what you say. Hindi mo ako tipong ni Dana Chowder. Hindi siya ganun.
Well, ginagawa mo din yun. Pero
Oo.
tenga pa rin. Tama,
Okay.
tama. May point, may point.
May point. Finally.
Ano ang favorite na ginagawa ni Liza during?
Ginagawa ko.
Iba ka pa ba dapat gawin during sex? Sadali, magluto? Ano?
Hindi, anong act yun? Ano yung pinaka... What do I really love doing to you? Ito yung alam ko talagang sobrang nag-enjoy siya.
Ready ka dito, ha? Ginusto mo itong topic na to, ha?
Yan!
Ayoko!
Love! Pag na-screenshot yan! Ano yan?
Game?
Love!
One! One!
Nakakatakot yung hitsura mo! Patingin!
Ayoko! One!
Love!
Two?
Love! Isa!
Ay, puto, yun mo pananakot?
Patingin! Patingin!
Hindi mo na ako madadala sa mga pananakot mo. 1, 2, 3!
Ha?
Magkagmumura ng number!
Napaka-PG nung akin.
Hindi totoo yan!
Kiss intensely and talk dirty.
Isasabi ko ba yung akin?
Ayoko! Okay.
Ikaw yung mag-start ng topic na to, di ba?
I didn't realize you'll be that honest.
Okay, sino ang mas maingay?
Ano ka? Ikaw!
Ikaw?
Ikaw.
Ikaw? Hindi, ingay mo lang, hindi ka ganun. Para ako may anong lalaki. Ang gandang babae, ang lalim ng boses.
Parang nilalaman na ako ng lupa dito Uy, bakit puro ako yan? Okay.
Sino ang mas
Sandali lang, gusto ko nga yung maingay ka eh. Ayoko na tahimik ka pa.
Pero maingay din si Ice.
Pero yung ingay ko, it's more of like telling you what I want.
What do you want? Okay.
sino ang mas adventurous?
Yes, ako. Me!
Oo, sasakyan
Nanood kami ng 52 minutes ng Kama Sutra, no? Sa
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 banyo.
Pornhub.
Sa banyo.
Sa banyo ng ibang tao.
Sa banyo ng bar.
Oo.
Wildest place kung saan
Ayun pala.
Yun pa rin ba?
Shit, dalawa to. Ready?
Ano yung isa? Oo. Bathroom of a club in LA. yan.
Oo.
Same yan.
Oo.
Okay. Bago pa lang kami nito, as in like 2013 levels. Tama ba? 2013 or 2014. Ano pa kami? Imagine niyo ilang years ago yun. 12 years ago.
Oh,
We
yung-
were
ito
still
yung
very
pa-
frisky.
Yung
and-
pangalawa natin, last year lang yan Ito mo? Hindi nagbabago.
Okay.
Next, sino ang mas madalas mag-take part?
Siyempre, boss ko.
Last.
Diyos ko, kung di yata ako magte-take charge, hindi kayo magse-sex nito.
Gawin mo nga yung sinasabi kong gawin mo.
Alam niyo, minsan sinasabi ko pa nga sa kanya talaga tinatakot ko na siya. Ano, gusto mo maghanap na ako ng iba?
Pag mo
Talaga
matakutin
ganun.
ng ganyan, gawin mo na yung mga nire-request ko
Pero
sa'yo.
joke lang naman. Gusto ko lang siyang i-threaten
Gawin
harmlessly.
mo nga yung nire-request ko sa'yo.
Ano nga?
Oh, yan, number 1. Oh, may ganyan ka pala, ngayon ko lang nakikita. Normally, sa bahay mo, yung panty mo hanggang dito na. Ano?
Boy shorts tawag doon! Ano ka ba?
Wala akong pake kung ano tawag sa kanya. Kasi dati, putya, lace-lace yung panty mo.
Ano? Ngayon.
Oo, tataas.
Ikaw?
Oh, lagi mo lang hubad doon pa hanggang ngayon na. Never nagbago yung consistent ako.
Okay, last. Pinakamaraming beses na nag-sex kayo in one day.
Shit, di ko binilang yun.
Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses, pero I know where.
Grabe, nobela.
Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses
Hindi ko
eh.
alam ilang beses. Pakita mo na yung sa'yo.
Di ko bilang todo. Sumakit ulo natin sa kondo. Ako naman, sa kondo namin, 2 days kaming nag-lock. Tapos, pizza and chicken lang kinain namin.
At saka masakit yung ulo natin ng pareho,
Oo,
diba?
first time namin ginugol ko ano yung ibig sabihin ng post-coitus headache.
Insak talaga ang ulo namin.
Yeah, but that was a lot.
So you got 7 over 10.
Wow! Okay. It's not so bad.
May bonus question lang.
Okay.
Bonus question is, describe your wildest fantasy.
Ah.
Parang wala.
Ha?
Parang nagawa, munti na nga ako mamatay, so hindi ko alam kung ano. May ikaka-wild pa ba?
We've always been talking about threesome.
Hindi ko siya talaga.
Ayaw na siya, Tep.
Hindi ko na, I mean, hindi siya fantasy for me. We talk about it, pero it's not like a fantasy na, Hindi eh.
Well, ako,
Threesome.
oo. But with a girl.
I differ.
Pero another girl. Ay, hindi ko na, tinanggal ko na yung halimbawa gayong nandun. But it would be exciting if there's another girl. So kung makita siya, how he behaves or not.
Feeling ko mahihirapan ako. Kasi for me nga to get there, I have to have an attachment eh. But that's the thing now with threesome, di ba? Dapat no attachments whatsoever. It's just sex. Hindi ako makapag one night stand, hello.
Yeah, that's true. Do you think people are more influenced by movies, porn, or real conversations when it comes to their expectations about intimacy?
I think women tend to be influenced by porn.
Yeah.
Women tend to be influenced by movies they watch.
Yes.
About romance.
And porn,
They're both unrealistic.
yes, because porn will teach you positions, it will teach you fantasies, but it will not teach you intimacy. How to actually be connected with the person you're with.
And same thing with girl flicks, with mga rom-com. Hindi rin siya, for me they're both unrealistic.
Yes, yes. So, yun nga parang ang sinasabi ba natin dito, in order for us to have good sex, and the definition of a good sex for us is if we've learned or if we learn how to communicate with our partners.
Yes, that's the only way. Kasi even if, let's say, sa partner mo before, sa past relationship mo, okay kayo, and if you're with someone new, it's totally a different, it's a different setup again eh. Diba? Hindi ko ano yung ginagawa mo before, kaya mo madala sa relationship na to because you're with a totally different person. So, it really varies from person to person.
Do you think it's possible for a person to fully understand what they like in intimacy if they've only experienced this with one person?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam. Kasi may iba na talagang kung sino yung partner nila ever since, yun yung partner nila ngayon. And I don't know if when they say na, no, I'm totally satisfied, if they really are. I don't really know because I've never been in their position. But of course, syempre, diba? I mean, you can only explore if you've been with kahit paano different people.
Ako, yung pinaka-general answer ko dyan is no. But, it depends kung yung one person kasi, intimacy and understanding the full range of it is experienced only by your different experiences with people. Kasi dun mo, sex is so intimate, sex is so personal, that you rarely will just have it with one person na kung halimbawa tong taon to ang daming reservations. 'Di ba? So, dahil nga sobrang rare niyan, it's so napaka sensitive nun na it's only when you get to the point of getting intimate with a different person or different people na makukuha mo yung, alam mo siya, para siyang para siyang extract. 'Di ba? You're para siyang extract ng isang tao dahil you can talk to a person all you want. You can, be friends with a person. Pero when you get to intimacy, ibang level na talaga 'yon.
Yeah.
So, para ma-experience mo yung range nun, 'di ba? Parang it's getting different extracts and putting them together in this one isang precious na na lalagyan, 'di ba? So parang ako, I guess minsan tinitingnan ko yung naging experience ko in life. And it's so easy to think na parang grabe, parang ang dami ko ring na-experience na hurt, ang dami kong na-experience na pain from the relationships na na-experience ko. But nandun din yung naintindihan ko what intimacy is like. And I think the reason why I am the way I am with you, and we are the way we are with each other, that even if we only have once or twice or how many times na mag-sex in a month, or mag-sex, or once in a blue moon man yan, I don't feel insecure. Kasi, marami na akong naging experience na, okay, madalas nga kayo, pero you always feel used. Or you always feel na parang hindi naman into you yung partner mo. Or na-experience mo na parang, yung intimacy nyo is very one way.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So, para makarating ako doon, I had to go through all that. Para makarating ako kung nasan ako ngayon, I had to go through all that. So, yun yung
Ako
ano
naman,
ko dun.
ako rin, ang kaibahan naman natin is I have a lot of reservations talaga. Siguro dahil nga, growing up sa mata ng public, I was very careful nung bata ako eh. So, parang takot ako nun to really be intimate with someone. Kasi I have fears na, di ba? That's why siguro, never ko talagang na-experience yun, yung talagang pupunta ka sa bars, mag-pick up ka ng chicks. Wala akong mga ganun talaga. Kasi nga, takot ako. And even that time, di pa uso yung camera, phone, social media, wala pang ganun. Pero siguro nga, hindi ko rin talaga siya naging ugali na. And, kaya siguro iba yung experience ko with you every time. Kasi nga parang, and I'm not just saying this because I want you to feel good or anything, but parang sa'yo talaga ako, sa'yo nawala yung inhibitions ko. Alam mo yun, parang, I welcomed even my basest, ang tawag dun, my carnal feelings.
Yeah,
alam mo yun?
yeah,
Na
yeah.
kung before, it was just in my head. Okay na yun eh. Nasa utak ko, nanood akong porn, solved na ako dun eh. Alam mo yun? Pero, but with you, I get to do that in real life.
Yes.
But
And shamelessly, you don't
Yeah.
need to feel embarrassed.
Kasi diba, parang, kasi yun yung mga hindi ko magawa talaga before. So parang ngayon, that I get to do it with you. Parang, and I don't think I can ever do that with anyone else. Kaya pinakasalan kita. Ngayon dito lang to.
Oh, honestly, I feel like yun nga parang yung level of maturity natin when it comes to our relationship and I guess yun nga kung i-measure siya through our intimacy. Love before, I'm not just sensual, I'm very sexual. Kaya ko naman when I'm not in a relationship, kaya kong walang sex ng a whole year. Kaya ko yon. But when I'm with someone, parang nasanay ako na parang hindi pwedeng hindi kayo magse-sex in a week. So, siguro yung first part din nung first months natin, or ito, yung initial part ng relationship natin, na-equate ko siya to feeling undesired na, or undesirable, or parang wala ka na bang gana, or hindi na ba ako kagana-gana. Kasi nga parang, nandun siya sa frequency eh. Hindi siya dun sa intensity. 'Di ba? So, but being with you and being comfortable with my body all the more, not just yung gusto ko, pero yung gusto mo rin. And how we share that. I think yun yung maturity na narating ko when it comes to intimacy. But what's harder? Asking for what you want or admitting what you don't want? Like Satin.
Feeling ko mas admitting what I don't want. Kasi di ba when we first started, syempre, ano ka siya, you thought, you know, I saw myself as a woman that time, so
Oh my God.
akala mo I wanted to be touched how a woman wanted to be touched.
Yeah.
And I couldn't tell you na, no, it makes me so
Oh my God. Like
uncomfortable.
talagang, you know, actually kaya namin din na-discover. Kasi it was within the relationship that Ice realized that he's trans man. Eh.
Yeah.
It was because of our intimacy. When we're intimate. Like, syempre, di ba, parang normally, kung lesbian siya, he would be comfortable kung halimbawang there's penetration, di ba? Tapos, how you're pleasured is kung paano pinipleasure ang isang babae. Pero when he is reminded that he has a female genitalia, biglang nawawalan siya ng mood. Tapos parang, you know, may nakita pa akong time kay Ice, parang medyo naluha pa siya. Kasi nga, akala ko that's how he wants to be pleasured. So nagulat ako kasi parang, okay, so paano? Eh syempre, nanood pa ako ng porn para lang pag-aralan ko kung paano mag-pleasure sa isang lesbian, di ba? Kasi I've never experienced that. Eh yun naman pala, iba, di ba? So parang, but that because he was having such a hard time telling me what he doesn't want. So, nung sinabi niya na finally na parang, alam mo, sa totoo lang, I don't like being pleasured like like a woman would be pleasured. So that's penetration, 'di ba? Parang o kaya you go down there and you do it parang paano pinipleasure ang babae, 'di ba? Hindi. So I leave it to your imagination kung how I have
Don't
sex
imagine
with,
my face, ha?
how I have sex with Ice like a man. Like, you know, parang ganon. But, even yung body ko, honestly, nag-adjust siya. Kasi, syempre, ako naman, baliktad. Ang nakasanayan ko is, I need to be pleasured like how a woman is pleasured. Like, penetration, and all of those other acts na parang ano. But, how can I be penetrated? Diba? Kung wala naman siyang ganong genitalia. But,
Hello,
my
Shopee.
body was able to adjust that. Nakaganon lang si Ay sa akin. Ay, was na. Hindi, parang I think our bodies have ways of really embracing the whoever we are with.
Yeah.
So, sa akin, nakatitig lang sa akin si Ice, 'di ba? Tapos we're really intimate, maramdaman ko yung
So,
touch
nakatitig
niya.
ako sa'yo, tapos ka na?
Hindi, but you know, pero sobrang nagugulat ako sa sarili ko. Like talagang, to the point nga talaga na na he was almost doubting. Para akala niya, sobrang medyo sensitive na information siya. Pero, I think,
Hindi ba natin ginagawa yung kanina pa?
hindi, ewan ko, para sa akin. I guess because it's the first time I'm sharing this, na parang, there was a point where I don't really get off with anything that's inside me. Parang ganon. Hindi siya, parang, di ba yun yung default mo bilang babae? Kailangan penetration. Nung naging kami, ayokong ginagawa sa akin yun. Kung ano man yung bagay na yun, punta sa loob, di ba? Parang, hindi talaga. Parang,
Yeah.
parang it doesn't, parang sa akin more than enough na that, Eyes and I are very, very, our bodies are like next to each other or on top of each other, ganyan. And akala niya, for a time, it's because I don't see him as
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
see you as a man.
Yeah.
Or parang, ganon, kasi wala akong penis, kaya ayaw mo na lang yun magkaroon, ayaw mo na nang may penetration, ganyan. But hindi eh. For some reason, yung body ko, nagkaroon ng way na nagre-respond siya, even when Ice is just on top of me.
Pero ngayon hindi
Diba?
na.
Parang when he's on top of me, tapos niyakap niya ako, tapos he holds me, and he makes me feel held, and he makes me feel so safe.
Ngayon hindi ka na ganun sa akin. Ngayon naglalakad na ako. Aray, ba't mo ginaganon yung kuko mo sa akin? Ginaganon yung kuko mo. Oo, minsan naglalakad ako.
Ano ka pala? I'm trying to look for like more safe words eh. Ang gulo mo.
Bakit?
Okay, game. Okay, wala. Talk sheets. Okay, ayun. Well, syempre naman, no? You know how to pleasure a woman. Diba? Oy, mahirap gawin yun sa mga lalaki dyan or kung sino man dyan na yung kanilang way of pleasuring is going down sa babae. My God, you guys have a lot to learn. Akala lang nyo lang nag-enjoy yung partners nyo, but that's such a delicate spot. It's a very, very sensitive spot that only through our guidance you will achieve and you'll be able to make us reach orgasm. Akala nyo, ang galing nyo. Hindi lang sinasabi ng mga partners ninyo na, kasi wrong move there, honestly. Aminin nyo, wrong move down there.
Ay, doon sa mo.
Tapos, hindi nyo alam paano. Yung parang, parang ginagawa nyo parang vacuum. You know, it's so sensitive that it needs care. Like, it's very, very fragile. But if you know how to hit those spots, like, yeah. Kasi dati, never ako nagka-come whenever a person goes down there.
Tayo sabi mo,
Di
ayaw mo.
talaga. Like, I will,
Ngayon parang tinutulak mo ako parati pababa. Okay. How big of a role does confidence play in the experience, both in how you show up and how comfortable you feel? Do people fake confidence during intimacy? I think confidence is very important.
True.
Kasi only when you're confident that you can really say that you're mentally, in it.
And I guess the best part is when you're able to tell your partner that you're not confident. If you feel safe enough to tell your partner na parang, I don't really know how to pleasure you. So, can you guide me? Or, can you tell me what you want? Kasi imagine niyo kung umpisa pa lang, na-address nyo na yon, edi, practice makes perfect na. 'Di ba? Hindi yung nagpa-practice kayo, hindi yun naman kayo nag-uusap. So, practice kayo ng practice, naghiwalay na kayo't lahat, hindi pa kayo na-satisfy sa isa't isa.
Mahirap mag-assume sa mga ganang bagay.
So, guys, ako, understanding, and siguro this is one of the things that I learned earlier on, like, communicating with your partner during sex in the right way,
Yeah.
or even after sex, for example, yung if you're comfortable enough to pag-usapan na, ayoko nung ginawa mo kanina. Kasi when you can laugh during sex, like, di ba, ang dami mga nangyayari. During intimacy, biglang may uutot. O
May hihilik.
Oo, yung, oh my God. Minsan pagod ako, tapos, gaganon siya.
Ano gaganon ka?
We're gonna have sex. Tapos, biglang, nagsisilik na pala ako.
Hinilikan niya ako. Tapos nakatigil
Hindi
ako.
hinalikan, ha?
Hinilikan. Tapos tumigil ako, nakatingin ako sa ganyan. Siguro naalim po nga ito siya. Biglang, sabi ko, tigilan mo ako, humihilik ka na.
But if you can actually laugh about that, and hindi siya magiging panira, di ba kasi once na nagsalita ka na, o kaya natigil kayo midway because, somebody farted or queefed. I mean, things happen. But if you can actually laugh about that, oh my God, you'll have the best sex ever.
Yeah.
Kasi it's not just about the performance na. It's about how to get there together. Okay.
Kasi ito friend ko talaga to. Friend natin to. Nalala ko lang yung kwento niya. So, he went down sa girl. Parang di yata nag-trim. So, hirap na hirap siya kasi nabibilaukan siya dun sa pubes. Dun siya
Okay.
Parang relating sa dun.
Di ba? Di ba? Pero kung halimbawa, you can openly say that. Na para, uy, ano ba yan?
Uy, girl, mag-trim ka naman. Trim ka lang. Sige na trim. Gusto mo doon, di o, trim ka. Kasi, hindi, hirap talaga. Minsan sumasabit sa ipin mo. Hindi ka lang sandali. Alam mo yun?
Di ba? So if you can make it as casual and as open, di ba? Awkward lang siya sa una. Pero you'll really see the importance. And ang laki ng difference niya pag alam niya na, alam mo yung parang hindi kayo natatakot mag-sex. Kasi nga, alam mong, kahit anong mangyari, even if you fuck up, even if one person does it wrong and the other person, you know, does it better, it's not about that eh. It's about the continuous connection.
Yeah.
It's just the consistent emotional
Connection.
that you have. Yan. Okay. Can bad communication ruin good chemistry?
Oo, kasi...
Yes.
Oo, kasi kunyari, in the middle of it, ang sarap niyan! Sige pa! Sira yung chemistry niyan.
Sino naman na magaganon?
Sige! Ituloy mo yan! Kaliwa!
Hindi siya, di ba ayaw mo yung parang ang taas ng boses.
Oo.
Sobrang.
Oo.
I guess that's the reason kung bakit nandun ako sa lower register.
Paharurot na yung motor sa'yo eh. Hindi ako talaga, doon ko talaga napapansin na very auditory talaga ako. Like, sabi ko sa kanya, kahit gaano kaganda yung babae, pag yung boses, masakit sa tenga ko, hindi ko talaga kaya.
O ayaw nga niya sa action movies na ano, parang okay, kaya sabi niya, kaya siguro, konti lang yung na-appreciate ko ng mga action films ng mga babae. Kasi di ba pag babae, hiya! 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 Diba? Ganun sila magsalita.
Hindi dahil hindi sila magaling mag-ano
Oo.
it's just my ears talaga. Very sensitive.
Disillusion.
What do you think people don't talk about enough when it comes to intimacy but actually matters a lot? Ako yun. Yung saying what you like and what you don't like.
Ako, dahil sanay na tayo, kaya hindi tayo awkward, but saying no.
Yan.
Marami pa rin ang mga partners, whether guy or girl, di ba? Na hindi nyo masabi sa partner nyo na ayaw nyo. Pero you don't feel satisfied after kasi hindi nyo sasabi sa kanya. Parang on the get-go pa lang, wala na you're really not into it already.
Yeah.
Tapos hindi nyo nasabi sa kanya. Yun yung parang magawa nyo lang. And it's really not satisfying at all. That's not good sex. Yun.
Ito. What makes someone emotionally safe to be intimate with?
Yung hindi lang siya pagiging open. It's I think openness is important, but feeling safe, creating a safe space for each other is
Now, what does it mean when it comes to intimacy? Like, what is creating that safe space?
Yung alam ko na pag gagawin natin siya, hindi siya about, kailangan maka-reach tayo ng orgasm. It's about, dapat this act will make us more emotionally connected.
Yeah. Ako, same thing. Like, yun nga kasi, di ba, parang only, di ba, I'm very reserved, di ba? Sa lagay na to, reserved ako. No, like, ang dami kong inhibitions, like, kong insecurities. So, parang, like, ako, I can really say, like, you're my safe space. Because, especially when we're intimate, like, I can really say the things that I just say to myself or in my head. Na normally, kahit sinong kaharap ko, hindi ko masasabi. Especially when it comes to, being pleased, di ba? Or, yung mga things na parang, ngayon, even if sabihin ko siya out loud, alam mo yung gano'n. Pero, like, I can freely say it to you, na you won't see it as, manyak naman ito, kadiri naman ito. Hindi siya gano'n.
Yeah. If someone asks you what good sex means in one sentence, what would your answer be?
Sex with Liza.
Nox.
Yeah. Upo ko yung hair mo, wait lang.
Sex with ice.
Oo.
Hindi. Kasi, alam nyo, okay, and I don't know kung sino makakapagsabi nito sa ever na without batting an eyelash. You know, in the last 13 years we've been together, Ice and I have never had sex na hindi kami nag-orgasm. Na hindi kami satisfied.
Napinilit natin.
Na I fake my orgasm. As in. And I can, kahit sino, wala akong pwedeng masabi na ganun yung naging experience ko. Kahit sinong guy. Because I've mostly had sex with guys, except for Ice. Pero my previous relationships, I can say that, you know, I've faked it once or twice. Or, nag-sex kami pero hindi ako satisfied. But here, 13 years na kami wala akong sex na hindi ako nag-orgasm.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I'd like to thank,
Kaya siguro okay lang na once a month kami. 'Di ba? Parang ganon. I mean, yung once a month naman, yung mga ano lang talaga yan, sobrang busy namin. Pero, ikaw, what is a good sex nga?
siguro yun talagang walang inhibitions at all. Like, you can be as naked as you want. Kasi 'di ba parang there's this level of parang meron ka pa rin tinatago eh. Kahit matagal na kayo ng partner mo, ng asawa mo. Meron ka pa rin mga fantasy sa utak mo na alam mong hindi ko pwedeng sabihin to. Alam mo 'yun? But I don't have that with you. Like I tell you what I really want, or I say the things that I would normally say.
Ako, good sex for me is not what you experience, not just what you experience within the act of doing it. It's what you share after. Kasi di ba yung after, yung like kagabi talaga, hindi ko makakalimutan talaga na wala siyang ginawa talaga kundi hawakan yung kamay ko, tapos magsasmile lang siya sa akin, tapos kaganyan lang siya. Sabi ko, ano to? Tapos, manonood na naman kami ng TV. Tapos, hawakan na naman niya yung kamay ko. Tapos, so I really know that, you know, with what we shared, iba yung naging effect sa aming dalawa. Kasi, ako rin, bigla akong napaisip. Parang bigla akong naipasip na, ano yun, what made it very special compared to other days, compared sa mga araw na hindi kami nagsisex. Diba? Doon ko talaga na-realize na, kasi umuwi ako kasi pag-uwi namin ng bahay, hindi ko binuksan yung laptop ko. Nandun lang ako sa bed, tapos nanood kami ng show, tapos nakayakap lang ako sa kanya, tapos it organically happened. Then, we slept together na parang, you know, parang without talking about work.
Yeah.
So, ako kasi, minsan meron akong assumption na pagdating ko sa bahay, nanonood siya naman ng TV, pwede ako magtrabaho, tapos pupunta ako sa bed. Di ba? Parang, it's so mundane for you and you don't see it as a big issue. And he doesn't make it an issue. But, it creates that distance na hindi mo na realize na meron pala. Na yung sinasabi nila na parang, wag mo dalhin yung trabaho pagdating sa bahay. Wala akong ganun eh. Wala akong boundaries. So, and lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, paano hindi namin dadalhin yung trabaho sa bahay parang naging parte na yun ng buhay namin. But yun. So, when you're reminded na, ito yung example na yun, na you shared a moment, he picked me up from my flamenco class, which is selfishly I'm doing just for myself. It's not for Fire and Ice. It's not for anyone else but myself. Ako lang yung makaka-benefit dito sa flamenco ko. 'Di ba? Ako lang yung parang, wow, pinaltos-paltos yung paa ko, pero okay lang. Iba yun eh. And I guess siguro I was in that mood. I was such on a high. And then, sinundo niya pa ako. Tapos, I see him like really enjoying watching me. He was taking videos of me, and then he was reminding me, love, alam mo, you should really go back to dancing because you're really, really good at what you do. And parang, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I just wanna say, nag-benefit din ako sa flamenco mo.
Bakit?
No, because I really love watching you dance. You're so sexy when you dance. Okay.
Okay.
Pag-uusapan mo ba tayo? Pinag-usapan na natin lahat. So, anong takeaway mo?
Takeaway? Yun nga, na parang we've been together for a long time, pero I'm still learning a lot.
Yeah, me too.
How to be more present in our relationship. How to be there for you. Tsaka, how can we always find fun pa rin? And how, kung meron akong nirereklamo kasi, hindi tayo nakakapag-sex or hindi tayo ganun ka-intimate, ano rin yung dapat na ginagawa ko para ma-address yun. Hindi lang siya about the fact that we don't get to do it. It's like, what happens kaya? Or ano yung nagiging cause nun?
Ako naman, ang realization ko, I really think, and I wanna learn about this more, I really think I'm demisexual. Kasi like yun, diba? Kahit naman we're together, may mga times na parang I feel less attached with you because siguro, ang daming mga nangyayari sa araw-araw, diba? Like, even nga, pag uwi tayo, may ibang focus pa din. So parang, but it's not because hindi ako attracted, because I am very much. Pero parang siguro nga dahil yung siguro nga because yung makeup ko, yung para I really need that emotional, like that emotional back and forth. Na if it becomes too much of something else, if it becomes too much of work,
Yeah.
nag-iiba rin ako. So like, siguro yun, like really having those moments na, okay, we really share this something together na a normal day without work, without thinking about other people, without thinking about, how movies are made. And just, kasi love before, my gosh, we would spend hours talking about each other.
Yeah.
How much we love each other. And siguro if there's one thing na medyo nawala, yun. Di ba? We rarely talk about us anymore. Pag-uusapan lang natin tayong dalawa if may issue tayo. But other than that, we talk about other things. So parang siguro that's what I miss. Na, and I hope that, parang mas maibalik natin yung mga ganun klaseng conversations na, yeah, even for just 1 week, one day in a week.
Yun,
Kasi
siguro,
honestly, iniisip ko rin siya eh. Sabi ko, bakit nga ganun? Bakit nga? And iniisip ko, hindi na ba ako attracted sa asawa ko? Hindi naman totoo. Kasi kung hindi ako attracted sa'yo, love, ang dami kong pwedeng tignan, pero wala ko iba tinitignan kung hindi ikaw. Na seriously, like, kung tutulog ka, nakatingin ako sa'yo, kahit nakaganyan ka. Attracted ako sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Kahit yung hilik mo para aeroplano. Diba? So sabi ko, ako sa hindi attracted sa asawa. So what is it that's missing? Why we're not as intimate as before?
Yeah.
So I really feel like yun, na parang siguro nga, hindi natin na, teka, medyo marami silang nakita. Hindi na kasi tayo ganun ka-vocal about how we feel about each other.
Yeah. And yun, minsan I ask like, what is it about talk sheets that I'm learning so much more from you here than when we are outside? It's that. Kasi dito talaga, even for an hour or an hour and a half, we get to talk about us. We get to talk about our relationship. Kasi yung mga nadidiscover ko ngayon on how I can improve myself outside of this, is nakukuha ko siya sa talk sheets.
Yeah, me too.
Kasi nga, kung on a normal day, so we say that talk sheets with Ice and Lisa because we're bringing here what we normally do at night. That was us, like, so many years ago. 'Di ba? Kaya namin naisip tong idea na to kasi way back 2016 when we started doing, even before 20, yung first year pa lang na relationship namin. We would have this pillow talk na tinatawag namin. And we would be talking to each other. It's just that naka-live kami. So nakaka-share yung mga taong nakakarinig sa pinag-uusapan namin. And that was us. Like, that's a typical day for us.
Yeah.
Like, we would talk for 3 hours before we go to sleep about anything but work. Like, we don't talk about work at all.
No, we never talked about work.
So, I guess it's nice because it was through this show now that we're realizing na baliktad siya. We need to bring to our bedroom what we normally do here in Talk Sheets. Kasi, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, love, alam mo, mas natutuwa pa ako pag nasa Talk Sheets kasi naririnig ko yung mga issues mo. Kahit na nagbibiroan tayo na parang, love, ang taas-taas mo. O kaya, nagiging defensive ka minsan. O kaya, ako, nagiging defensive ako. Or basta, but it's a conversation. And I feel like you feel safe sharing it because akala mo, parang, it's my space na hindi ako makapagsalita or whatever. But really, it's not because ayoko magsalita. I really enjoy that I'm listening to you and I'm hearing you express this most probably just intrusive thoughts na hindi mo sinasabi out loud. Pero ngayon, nasasabi mo na siya.
Marami kasi akong rest back eh.
Diba?
Hindi mo daw akong maaaway. Ano sila?
Oh. No, but seriously, like,
Yeah. Hindi ako, yun nga, like, ang daming learnings din. Kasi syempre, these are things, parang medyo nabaon mo na sa limot. You just let life take over. Di ba? So, it's nice that, we get to talk about these things. Kasi, kung babalikan mo, no, ito yung mga hindi na natin ginagawa.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, you can bring those back and add some more spice to it. Diba? So, kasi when we strip away the pressure, diba, the expectations and the stories we pick up from everywhere else, what we're really left with is connection.
Yeah.
And yun naman, kahit ano pang mga nangyari sa atin noon, never nawala yun sa atin. In communication, comfort, being honest with each other.
And siguro what it really brings us to how we define what makes good sex. Good sex is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about feeling safe enough, diba? That's really what's important. Feeling safe enough to be honest, because intimacy is not just about bodies meeting. It's about people being seen without pretending.
Totoo yan. Intimacy is not a performance, right? It's a conversation, and the best ones are built on honesty, not expectations.
Thank you everyone for joining us under the sheets tonight. Talk Sheeters, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And our podcast is also available on Spotify, so please make sure to follow us there. And guys, we love reading your comments, so please leave your comments, your messages sa atin. And kung may gusto kayong mga topic na gusto mong pag-usapan, let me know, di ba? Para tirahin natin yun sa mga susunod na episodes.
At saka, lately, natutuwa ako dun sa mga nagko-comment sa page natin. Kasi talagang may mga regulars na talaga tayo na nanonood.
Ang tumatatak sa atin sa akin pa
Taga-Italy.
si Ruby ba pangalan niya? Si Ruby, yan. Lagi daw tumatating yung talk sheets kapag naglalaba siya.
Nag-adjust na nga siya na yung schedule niya.
Thank you for adjusting, Ruby.
Para makakoncentrate daw siya. So, thank you because you're the reason kung bakit, we're willing to set aside an hour in our week para makapag-share kami ng experience namin with you. So guys, this is Talk Sheets with Ice and Liza, where we strip down and bear it all under the covers, especially tonight.
Oh my God, yes. So don't hold back. Just talk sheets. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Here's the covers.